few basic sacred secrets about life. What is life? What for life? More and more you try to seek answers for these questions, you become seeker. More and more you try to answer these questions for others, you become philosopher. But these questions remain untouched forever, because each one has to discover the answer inside them for these questions. For the outer world comforts, you don't need to reinvent whatever is already invented. You can use the same thing. But for the inner world enlightenment, you need to discover your religion individually and independently. These questions, what for life is, what is life, what for life, these questions raise the intensity of life in you, brings authenticity to your living. I discovered answers to these questions inside me. But I will not do the mistake of giving you answer. I'll give you the process through which you can discover the answer within yourself. Please understand, if I give you the answer, it will not be your own answer. Any philosophy given ready-made, like a teaspoon feeding, is not going to become part of you, is not going to be enlightening you. It may be a philosophy, it may be a bookish knowledge. Maybe you can be like a librarian, sitting with it, but it is not going to become part of your life. My answer to this question, what is life, what for life, will no way be useful for you. You need to find your own answer. I can only give you the process. The process I am offering to all of you to find answers for the basic questions of life is unclutching.